Hi, I'm Jamie from Helpertech, and today I want to speak to you about iPhone battery replacement. So, are you in the River Falls, Wisconsin area and you're experiencing issues with your iPhone battery, such as, let's say it's draining too fast, not holding its charge, some other issues that we see with the battery life is, let's say you're opening in an app and it seems to take longer than normal to open the app, or you're flipping from the rear-facing camera back to the front. Those are all signs of an aging iPhone battery. So if you're experiencing any of those issues and you're in the River Falls area in Wisconsin, I'm going to ask you to come down to the ACE Hardware store in River Falls. Tell them that you're needing an iPhone battery replaced, and those guys are going to get you taken care of right away. So again, whatever the issue is that you're facing with your depleted iPhone battery, the guys down at the ACE Hardware in River Falls are going to get you back up and running as quick as possible for an affordable price. So if you'd like more information about the store, you can visit helpertech.com, click the locations tab, and then click the River Falls location where you can find the address and the phone number. Give the guys a call, they'll give you a price quote, get your iPhone battery replaced, and have that device last you a couple more years, save you some money down the road before you have to replace that device. So like I said, helpertech.com, click the locations tab, select River Falls, give the guys a call, and they're going to get you taken care of.